very good day, guys. This is Jafar here from the TOTAI headquarters. Winter is officially here and it's time to prepare. We have a massive range of heaters that is rolling out of our warehouse as we speak, and very soon you're going to see these stylish colored heaters everywhere. Okay, so while your gas heater will serve you well in icy temperatures, it's also important that you enjoy the heat and comfort while using your unit safely and responsibly. So I'm here today to demonstrate how to get your heater started and give you some very important safety tips. Alright guys, so with me I've got the TOTAI rollabout gas heater as well as a 9 kg cylinder. So please note that it is only a 9 kg cylinder that you should make use of in your rollabout heater. Never use a bigger or a smaller size cylinder. Remember that any size different to a 9 kg cylinder is very dangerous. Before you attempt to ignite your heater for the first time or between changing cylinders, you should also always complete the following quick checks. Firstly, look here. This fitting on the end of your regulator is called an O-ring washer, and it serves as an airtight seal in your cylinder valve once you've connected your heater to the gas cylinder. Secondly, you'll notice that the bullnose regulator, there is a fitted safety clamp and it ensures that no gas escapes from the sides. As your gas travels up, there's a second clamp at the top of your heating system. Check that both of these clamps are completely secure. Next, inside the heater body, there's a swing tag with safety instructions which we encourage you to read before connecting your heater. Now that we've completed your safety checks, let's get this heater going. Okay, so the first step is to connect the regulator to the gas cylinder by inserting it into the cylinder valve and turning the regulator in an anti-clockwise direction to the left, like this. Make sure it's nice and tight, safety first. Once the regulator is connected firmly, place your 9 kg cylinder into the body of your heater and connect the back plate onto the heater which holds the cylinder in position. Let me show you how. So to ignite your unit, first open the flap at the top of the heater. Insert your hand in order to access the top of your cylinder valve and turn the cylinder valve in an anti-clockwise direction twice. Allow at least 30 seconds for gas to start flowing through your heater system. Next, you want to move to the control panels at the top of your heater. You want to depress the knob and turn it to the on position or position 1 and do this gently. Hold this knob down for at least 20 to 30 seconds. While you're holding the knob down, you then can press your igniter button, possibly a few times, until the pilot flame successfully lights the ceramic panel. Once the ceramic panel is lit for at least another 20 or 30 seconds, then release the knob and you'll have a successful heater ignition. So let's see this in action. Depressing my knob, taking it to one position. I'm going to be holding it down for at least 20 seconds and then I'm going to be hitting the ignition starter. And after about 10 seconds I'll be releasing the knob. After the first panel is on for at least a minute, can you ignite the second and the third panel? And do this by holding down your knob and sliding it to the second or to the third position as you require. Okay, so when it's time to switch off your heater, depress the knob and slide it back to the off position. At this point, the flame goes out. However, it is very important to remember to also shut the cylinder valve off by turning it clockwise like that until it is firmly closed. Safety first. Now that we've successfully set up our rollabout gas heater, here's some extra safety tips and bits of info to keep yourself and your family safe. Number 1, never ever roll your heater around when it is on or in use. So number 2, don't get frightened if you notice a pungent smell that might be on igniting your heater for the first time. This smell is either emitted from the first time that you open your cylinder valve and gas is being released, or from the first time that you're lighting your ceramic panel. This odor won't linger long. Keep the room wherein the heater is being used well ventilated. And number 3, when your heater is in use, the panels of your heater do get hot. So make sure not to touch it, and also place your heater in a safe spot where no one can bump into it and it's away from any flammable materials. Alright guys, so gas needs to be used responsibly and safely. Please stay warm. Please enjoy these amazing colors and the range that TOTAI has to offer. This is from TOTAI to your family with lots of love.